कोई नहीं मिला.
So I was like, okay, fine. This see, I remember that. See, मेरा लोग मुझे बोलते थे, are you nervous? बोला कि मेरे को I am not nervous because Sonakshi finds me funny देख के ही.
Yeah. देखते ही हंसी आ जाती है.
आधा गेम तो मैं वहीं जीत जाता, but
मेरा.
I don't know if it's a compliment or no, but thanks.
Well, your purpose in life is to make people laugh, no? So take it as the biggest compliment you've ever got.
Thanks, Sonakshi. You've been great. I think his life is great. This life is great.
It's great.
Bye, guys.
For me.
Thank you so much. Guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, everybody who's tuned in and watching. This is going to be fun, huh? Stay.
Of course, fun. Of course, बहुत सारा fun. Yeah. So tell me, starting with a very fuck all and cliche question, how's it going?
It's going great actually, because when I'm not working, my life is like quarantine only. I love sitting at home. I love doing my own stuff. I love watching stuff that I've missed out on. So for me, it's going good only.
For me, it's like too much of family bonding. इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है.
I think for a lot of people.
Yeah, I'm this close to sharing my secrets and all these things to my parents. Like it's
Oh
not close. Like it's too much of.
मत करना ये गलती.
Parents बोलते कि अरे मैं तो तेरा दोस्त हूँ यार. अरे हम लोग दोस्त हैं.
ये ट्रैप होता है. फिर बाद में जब झगड़े होते हैं ना तो सब ये सब बाहर निकलता है और फिर हमारी बैंड बजती है. Please don't fall into this.
आज का जो अपना सेशन है ना वो इसके बारे में है कि I don't want to know who's Sonakshi Sinha as a like I want to know who's Sonakshi Sinha जो मस्ती करती है. So like we are not content creators or we are not actors or we are buddies. Right now we are buddies जिसमें उधारी चल रहा है. उधारी चल रहा है. हाँ. Since you are as a superstar and also I'll laugh at this.
Okay, fine, we're buddies.
So
okay.
We are buddies and अपने पैसे में उधारी चल रहा है और आपने दिया नहीं वैसे buddies है. ठीक है एकदम बचपन से.
Okay.
So this show is about, that's what they said, and it has 4 segments. First segment is introduction. Second is I'll ask you random questions about कि कभी bargain किया है क्या? All these questions. Okay. Third will be I'll give you an improv session. And you have to come up with improv comedy. And fourth will be we'll be taking up answers from people and we have to make a question on that.
Okay.
Like ये इसका मतलब क्या हुआ है? लोगों ने ये क्यों पूछा होगा?
अच्छा, okay. So you got all the questions like ready and all.
Obviously, yeah, we will be taking the comments and all. I'll be throwing to you. Okay. 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 So now introduce yourself very badly. Okay. Like in terms of shit. Sonakshi na matlab Sonakshi. You know that Sonakshi. वैसे. Introduce yourself.
I have the best introduction.
चलो बताओ. Start.
Hi, my name is Sonakshi. You said badly.
Yeah,
this is the worst. This is the worst it gets. This is the pits.
इसलिए मैं बोला था badly करना क्योंकि worst नहीं करना ना अपने को bad करना.
मतलब ना see देखो I'm an extremist okay तुम एक चीज बोलोगे ना bad बोलोगे तो मैं सबसे bad करूंगी. मेरे पास ये mediocre level चीजें नहीं होती है okay.
Okay,
अच्छा
so right
करना
now
तो एकदम अच्छा करेंगे, बुरा करना तो एकदम बुरा करेंगे.
So right now when you're doing this live, is it a good or the bad? बीच में तो नहीं होगा.
It's a what?
It's a good life or it's a bad life?
That I'll tell you at the end of the live. You ask me this question again.
Fuck yeah. Okay. So but I want see for example Sonakshi is our friend. Okay, we both are. You are Manglu and I am Chhagan.
Manglu and Chhagan. Okay.
हाँ ठीक है.
Yeah, you look like a Chhagan. And yeah, you be Chhagan.
I don't know why ये मेरे पे क्यों चढ़ रहे सब लोग पर ठीक है anyway. Okay, so you have Manglu. So and we both hate Sonakshi.
Okay.
So we have to bitch about Sonakshi now. Okay, who is this Sonakshi? Okay, you are narrating this Sonakshi story to me. So you have to be that.
Okay, I have to be that. It's tough, yeah. I'm so cool. मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ.
Manglu is cool. Sonakshi is not.
मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ. मैं क्या बोलूँ?
कुछ तो bitch करो यार खुद के बारे में.
यार इतनी अच्छी है उसके बारे में bitch भी नहीं होता. कैसी लड़की है यार? कहाँ से आई है? उसमें कोई fault नहीं है. Oh my God! ये काते हैं लोग.
This lockdown is making you so positive about yourself.
You know what? This is the best time to be positive. Positive नहीं रहोगे ना पागल हो जाओगे.
This is not the best time to be positive. This is
It's
not
the
the best time to be positive.
good one.
अरे यार.
Yes, you're right.
Okay.
It's good to have a
Okay.
positive state of mind. Let's be specific.
So you don't have.
What?
I mean, so you don't have any bitching about Sonakshi.
I can't, yeah. नहीं होता मेरे से.
Okay, chalo. So I'll ask you another introduction question. For example, did you have very weird dreams while growing up?
Weird dreams?
Yeah, like for example, like to become like did you know कि आप actor ही बनने वाले हो आप?
नहीं, कभी नहीं. In fact, this is funny that you asked, because now let me tell you all the dreams that I had while growing up.
Okay, great.
So I wanted to be first when I started thinking of what I want to be when I grow up. I thought of being an astronaut because I love like science.
Classic,
and like
cliche. सब लोग को
classic
astronaut ही बनना होता है.
science, and you know, I really like space and all that shit. So I was
Mission Mangal,
correct.
of course.
So I wanted to be an astronaut, but then as I grew older, I realized that I can't put 2 and 2 together. So maths is so bad कि मुझे कोई science college में admission ही नहीं देगा. So that dream वहीं पर छूट गया. Then I wanted to be a tennis player because I used to play really good tennis when I was young. All the sports actually. I used to play volleyball, throw ball, football, basketball. I went up to national level selections and also for volleyball. So like very good at all sports, swimming and everything. So I thought मुझे tennis player बनना है, really cool, and I really enjoyed the game. So then I just started expanding like the universe.
हाँ, उसके आगे दुनिया है.
भागना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया मेरे लिए. So then that dream also went chapak. Okay.
Oh, I understood now.
Yeah, you're understanding. It's just started expanding like in size.
I'm into that phase right now, so I know.
Yeah, okay. I choose not to comment. Fat shaming is not good.
Of course, you just said it, but it's okay.
I said for myself. I can say for myself.
Of course, मैं भी मेरे बारे में कर रहा हूँ.
So then, then that dream also went. Then I wanted to be a fashion designer, which I eventually ended up studying for. Because I used to sketch really well. So then I joined SNDT college. I did my 3-year course and everything. And then I finally became an actor. So basically what I became is something that I never wanted to be.
But now, you know, the best part about actor, you can become anything now. You can become anything now.
Exactly. I can be whatever I want to be, man.
Yeah, that's true. So I convinced my family also, because I come from a Gujarati family. So I convinced my family that you want to, तने जो है कि हूँ engineer बनी जाऊँ, but when I'm an actor, I can become an engineer. I can act like one.
Yeah.
And then
I became a scientist. I sent a rocket to Mars. Yeah, in Mission Mangal. It's bloody awesome.
Yeah, dude. So I want to know the journey behind Mission Mangal. Yeah, it's good.
Oh my God! Excuse me. I think I'm in the wrong interview. I'm in the wrong line.
Okay. So I'll tell you about my very weird dream when I was growing up. I wanted to become a rickshaw wala.
Really?
Yeah,
I think that's a very noble dream. Yeah.
Yeah, because you know, just listen to the stupid side of it. Only for one reason, okay?
Okay, what was your reason?
Reason was कि ना रिक्शा के पीछे लिखा होता है stop.
हाँ.
तो stop को बहुत creatively लिखते हैं लोग. बहुत creatively. तो मुझे लगा मैं बड़ा होके ऐसा बाप क्रिएटिव स्टॉप लगूंगा मेरे रिक्शा. बस इतना ही, यही ड्रीम था मेरा.
तुमको अपनी क्रिएटिविटी निकालने के लिए रिक्शा वाला बनना था.
हाँ, तब से मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि मैं नहीं कर सकता. मेरा लाइफ में मेरा मकसद ही नहीं है जीने का मकसद ही नहीं है मेरा. तो दिस वाज माय
नाउ आई थिंक तुम संभल गए हो. अच्छा करते हो. यू फनी, यू जॉइन फिल्टर कॉपी, यू डू फन कंटेंट, लोगों को हंसाते हो. I think you're doing very well for yourself.
I told
you've come out of that phase where you know
these girls always yeah. Anyway,
big
it's okay.
problem, no?
Yeah, man, I tell you. Okay, moving
Don't
on.
let it get your head, huh?
No, of course.
Yeah.
It's just Sonakshi Sinha singing right now. ऐसे मतलब ठीक है.
No, Manglu, who's that? Who are you talking about?
Oh yeah, Manglu. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. Moving on to the second segment. It's damn fun. So I'll ask you very random question about you, and like I told you कि कभी bargain किया है कि नहीं and all these things.
हाँ. Okay. I love random questions. I get them all the time.
Okay. So first random question. कि जब भी आप शादी में जाते हो, ऐसे जैसे हाई प्रोफाइल शादियों में जाते हो, तो ऐसे लाइन में खड़े रहते हो क्या पानी पूरी के ऐसे खाने वाने के लाइन में?
जहाँ पे हम खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है.
Please. I need an analogy.
बहुत दिनों बाद मैं ऑनलाइन आई हूँ, मैं लाइव आई हूँ, बहुत सारे जोक्स, बहुत सारा चीज अंदर भरा हुआ है. So I need to like just get it all out.
So, do you have any funny story about your शादी के लिए? मतलब वो पराठा बड़ा अच्छा है यार, खा
मेरी शादी नहीं हुई है अभी तक, but okay. About your शादी. No, I have शादी stories, yes, because a couple of my best friends got married in like close succession.
Yeah.
So I was attending their marriages, and every time, I don't know, I started realizing from the first one's wedding that whenever an auntie came to me, or a group of aunties and all, and they get like excited and all, so the first thing they say to me, the first thing a random person says to me is,
yeah,
तो real life में तो बहुत पतली है. How do you react to that? What do you say? So I'm just like,
मेरे को ये कभी क्वेश्चन आया नहीं है क्योंकि मैं कभी हुआ नहीं, तो
अंदर तो दिमाग मतलब I'm boiling because I want to reply to it, like what
so
do
that's
you think?
the first thing you ever say. First thing, that's the first thing that comes, isn't it?
मतलब कोई जान ना पहचान, I don't know this auntie, never seen her face, and first thing she's like, real life में तो बड़ी पतली हो तुम, ऐसे कैसे? हाँ? I'm just like,
okay.
Yeah.
Another question, okay? So while on the road to your fame, okay, कि मतलब now people have started recognizing कि oh Sonakshi Sinha, oh yeah Sonakshi Sinha. So ऐसा हुआ जैसे I'll tell you about my story when people started knowing me, कि when I'm walking around people started knowing me. So my mom started getting more excited than me. And my mom is like कि अरे उसके साथ फोटो ले उसके साथ. He doesn't want to take a picture with me. ऐसा कुछ हुआ है आपके साथ? कि your mom is super excited but you are not. I don't know, why am I going? He has to come, she has to come.
For me it took a little bit of time to get used to it actually, because I'm a very low key person, so I in general also don't like too much attention on me.
Okay.
I mean in the wrong field, that's the case.
Honestly.
But
so
this was after Dabang released, and my best friend who I was talking about, whose wedding I went for, Vidhi, she had gone to a match in Wankhede Stadium, and some argument or something was happening with people around her, and some girl said something to another girl that, why, what do you think you are, Lady Sonakshi Sinha, what, they will call you in the VIP box to make you sit and all. So she got so excited कि किसी और ने मेरा नाम लिया. Like, dude, that girl told her you think you're Sonakshi Sinha. Calm down, Shant Pooja.
So that really happens with me because when I it was my mom's birthday and I really wanted कि some कोई ऐसा fan आए कि मम्मी खुश हो जाए कि मतलब वो मेरा बेटा अच्छा कर रहा है ऐसा कुछ करके. So it was my mom. So there's this two young ऐसे छोटे लड़के लड़की आए और मुझे बोले थे अरे विराज बिग फैन, मतलब ए इधर आ मम्मी के सामने बोल, इधर आ मम्मी के सामने बोल. तो ऐसा वो कर रहा था and he came and my mom started yelling at them. My mom said इसको फॉलो करते हो तुम लोग, इसको. I said word, अरे ये नाता नहीं है, इसको समझाओ कुछ, आप लोग को कोई अक्कल नहीं है. And my mom's typical Gujarati auntie, okay, like इसको, dude, she's damn fun, okay.
It sounds too cool.
And she's telling her कि इसको हेलमेट पहनने को नहीं आता है, ये बराबर बेल्ट नहीं लगाता गाड़ी चलाता, तो इसको फॉलो करता है. And this now, okay, take a picture now, come on, fast, do it fast. And my mom was a teacher, okay, and I suck at studies. And they were like yelling proper and they ran away. So मेरा सपना था, it was my mom's birthday and they ran away. अरे mom नहीं हो पाएगा ये वाला तो. Okay, third question. Yeah, for sure I'll let you meet.
Yeah.
Third question. कभी रास्ते से आप जा रहे हो, ऐसे you're driving or something like that, and आप देखते हो राइट में कि oh shit, वड़ा पाव तो बड़ा सही लग रहा है वहाँ पे, तो कहते उतर के खा के आए क्या?
वड़ा पाव का सेल
सही लग रहा है, मतलब कि कचौरी तो यार क्या बड़ा.
Hello, I was in NM college, yeah, तो वहाँ पे हर रोज
अगर not now, तभी नहीं अभी की बात कर रहा हूँ.
अभी I can't remember the last time I did it, but I've stopped the car, but मैं खुद उतरी नहीं हूँ. मैंने मंगवाया है गाड़ी के अंदर खाने के लिए. तो जैसे I love cheese dosa, okay, so
next time whenever we shoot,
huh?
Of course, yeah. Next time whenever we shoot, you are getting a cheese dosa.
Yeah, done. So outside Miti Bhai, they used to have all these dosa stalls and all. Na? So sometimes when I'm passing by after work or something, I'll stop my car and I'll tell my driver to get it for me in the car and I'll eat it there.
Wow.
I
Okay.
love street food.
I'll tell you. Okay, one more thing. Fourth question. कोई stupid fan theory क्या? Stupid fan meet है? Stupid मतलब कि very weird position में लो यार. I'm with a friend. I can't meet you. ऐसा कुछ fan हुआ था ऐसे मतलब? Like you are
ऐसा
like
हुआ था not with I was sitting doing interviews
हाँ
with you know how we have those group interviews तो सब आके they put their phones on the table and they start taking
हाँ
your
हाँ हाँ.
interview. I was sitting in a group interview with very senior journalists, you know, जो हमारे regional newspapers के हैं. तो and suddenly this girl walked up to me and she was like, "Hi, how are you?" And she came up to me कि जैसे वो मुझे जानती हो. तो मेरे दिमाग में होगा कि do I know her? Do I not know? Is she a fan or is she someone I know and I forgot it? And मेरी memory is
Yeah.
like amazing. Like I don't forget a name, I don't forget a face. So she looked a little bit familiar. So I was like, oh God, do I know this person? So she started talking to me और ये सब बैठ के हम दोनों का conversation सुन रहे. She's like, how's it going? How's your manager Malvika? And I was like, good. So मैंने तब सोचा कि पक्का ये तो जानती है मेरे को. So I started talking to her like I would talk to someone I know. Then end May she tells me, I'm a really big fan. Can I please get a picture with you? And I look at her, I'm like, I'm in the middle of like a ring of journalists who are waiting to take my interview and you're doing time pass with me over here.
Oh damn.
Yeah, so then I eventually took that picture and sent her off very nicely. But it was really funny later on. Me and my manager were laughing about it so much because she saw me talking to her and she was like, I thought you
Yeah.
knew her. So that's why I didn't stop her, come and take her away also.
So you know whenever I meet a fan, no, whenever I meet a fan, I'm in a very random weird lifestyle. जैसे वो लोग एकदम गंदा life होता है वो रहता है. For example, I was riding my bike, okay, and मेरा बाइक का स्टैंड टूट गया. और अभी मेरा स्टैंड टूट गया और पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. This is very initially, okay. And मैं ड्रैग कर रहा हूँ मेरा बाइक को ड्रैग करे जा रहा हूँ. स्टैंड वैन नहीं है. वहाँ पे दो फैन आते हैं बोलते कि I'm a big fan. I said thank you so much, but I said can I take a picture? I said right now you want to take a picture? They said yeah. So मेरा बाइक का स्टैंड नहीं है तो मेरे को बाइक को रास्ते में सुलाना पड़ा. And they were judging me कि फिल्टर कॉपी में तो बड़ा अच्छा है ये. यहाँ पे बाइक पे चला रहा है.
और एक और होता है हमेशा when you're at a restaurant ऐसे मतलब मुंह में खाना डालने वाले होते हो और like can we get a picture?
That is still okay because they're asking. There was this person who came and told me कि you take the picture.
Yeah, that happens with me all the time. अरे आपको तो सेल्फी क्वीन बुलाते हो, प्लीज फोटो ले लो ना, प्लीज आप अच्छी फोटो खींचते हो, आप अच्छी सेल्फी खींचते हो, आप ले लो ना प्लीज. And there's so many times that they don't know how to like operate it or you know they're feeling nervous and all. So there's been times where aunties आती हैं उनको कैमरा नहीं मिला. I was like, they do auntie phone. I take their phone, I open it, I take a picture for them and I say bye bye, thank you.
and you know there's another one story when there was this. So youngsters follow us a lot. Youngsters, okay. So and parents ज़्यादा पता नहीं कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं. So there was this हम लोग ना मेरा गाड़ी किसी से थोड़ा क्रैश हो गया, ठीक है. तो उतर के कौन है ऐसा करके देख रहा था वो. एंड फिर उसको बोला अरे विराज फिल्टर कॉपी. और उसकी मॉम डिडंट नो मी. अरे कुछ भी हो कौन है. they started fighting. अरे विराज ये. नहीं ये कौन कुछ भी है ऐसा कर.
See, ऐसी चीजें और होनी चाहिए because then even the older generation will get to know you.
I can see Halo behind you. Yeah, I can see Halo behind you.
और गाड़ी ठोको.
बाबा सोनाक्षी कुछ बोल रहे हैं. Okay, last question of this lot. So when you were shooting a lot, you've been shooting with a lot of actors and a lot of actresses and all. So ऐसा होता है कि कभी कोई एक्टर आके आपको बोलता है बहुत फनी जोक है, but आपको फनी नहीं लगता है ये, and then you have to laugh. ऐसे मतलब कि हाँ बहुत फनी था.
नहीं मुझे फनी नहीं लगता तो मैं नहीं हंसती हूँ.
You're direct on your face.
Yeah, I don't give people false hope. I'm sorry. मैं ऐसे बहुत वो मैं बोल दूंगी ऐसा जोक था. Not funny.
मतलब कुछ भी हो, like even a senior actor comes and tells you कि you'll be like this कि मतलब funny नहीं था कुछ भी बोल रहा है.
I mean, if you're working with a person, तो obviously like
for example,
एक रैपो होती है.
Okay, not jokes. कहो आगे कि कैसा लगा acting and you find it very touchy कि मतलब
acting.
Yeah.
नहीं फिर मैं झूठ बोलती हूँ. एक्टिंग की वजह से नहीं बोल सकते यार. जोक हो गए तब तक चलता है. एक्टिंग की वजह से लोगों को बहुत बुरा लगता है लाइफ में
कि मतलब shit क्या हो गया.
हाँ very nice.
Okay. Okay. Moving on to our third segment. It's called improv. Are
Okay.
you ready for improv comedy?
I'm not sure because I think I'm. Okay, let's see. And I won't say anything now.
So I'll give you a situation, and वो situation है कि you are in mad love with me. Like you want to. Okay. See, मेरा पास एक ही opportunity था ना, तो मैंने तो use करना है. So
हाँ.
okay, and you only have 4 words, the choice of words.
हाँ.
Okay, and I have 2. So now
Okay.
you have to ask me out. Okay,
Okay.
like you are like madly in love, and you want to ask me out.
हाँ.
Like only 4 words. For example, I love you. You. मतलब ऐसा question, ऐसा question. मतलब it's very random. You have to be improvise. खाली 4 words में बोलना, but you have to tell your story in that 4 words.
And I have to ask you out.
Yeah, like you have to tell me how do you feel about it, and like do I have a girlfriend or something like that.
In
Let's
4
try.
words.
Yeah, that's the improv comedy. 4 word में करना है आपको. You want to try? I have another thing also. Let's try this.
Okay. Okay. Give me an
Okay.
option.
Option. You have to choose your options. Options is
Okay.
4
Okay.
words.
Okay. 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 Say.
Any 4 words.
Okay.
Why you?
Why you?
मतलब मेरे पास 2 ही word है ना, तो मैं तो वही 2 ही word ही करने वाला हूँ.
Oh, so we're having a conversation. I have to say 4
Yeah.
words and you have to say. Okay.
Yeah.
Why not me, baby?
I like. Oh, fuck, मैं तो 2 खत्म हो गया.
You like, I like.
You sure?
Not in the slightest.
Okay, but
I don't know what.
okay.
I don't know why.
Why me?
I don't know why.
Okay, let's end this here because I have something else
Wait,
also.
I have 4 more words.
Okay, continue.
दिमाग काम नहीं किया. पागल हो गई थी.
I like. Lucky me.
Okay, now we end it.
अरे यार, I was about to get married. We should. Okay, so now there's this another improv which is based on your very famous dialogue. Okay, very very famous dialogue.
Which one? I wonder which one.
अरे वो मिशन मंगल वाला.
It's impossible.
Okay, so I'll ask the crowd now to send us suggestions for any Indian accent or Indian language. Maybe it can be Marathi, it can be Hindi, whatever it is. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to say that थप्पड़ से नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है, in that language.
Okay. In that
Okay,
language,
so-
I'll try. But like.
Yeah, obviously. Okay. So now I want people to tell me suggestions कि मतलब कौन से language में बात कर सकते हैं इससे.
Okay, guys,
Read-
suggest like some accents that I can speak in. This should be fun.
Yeah. So
Somebody
मेरा
said Tamil.
personally
Tamil.
one is Bhojpuri, one is Marwadi,
Huh.
Bengali. So I really want you to say in Marathi if you know Marathi.
No, I don't speak it, but I
It's okay.
understand.
It's okay. Whatever you like. For example, मेरा मराठी इतना है कि मैं पुलिस से बच सकता हूँ.
Huh.
इतना मराठी है मेरा.
No, like I can't say the dialogue in Marathi. I'll say it in Hindi only, but in like different accents. So like somebody said Tamil. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
थप्पड़
okay.
से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है.
Okay, now like can you do a Marathi accent?
Marathi accent.
You don't know little bit Marathi also. जिसमें you can properly do it.
I know कसा काय बरा है, a little like all that, but not like I can't speak fluently in it.
It's okay, fumble, it's fine. यहाँ पे कौन जज कर रहा है? ये तो buddies ना, उधारी बाकी है अपना.
What is थप्पड़ called in Marathi?
चमाट. और डर को बोलते हैं भीति.
चमाडला भीति नहीं लगते लगते साहेब. What is प्यार?
प्यार can be प्रेम also.
प्रेम मत लगते. They're going to kill me.
Okay, last one, Bhojpuri. Same dialogue, no accent. Bhojpuri language में.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लागत साहब, प्यार से लागत है.
Wow! Very good, very good. Okay, so now moving on to our last segment of this. I know you don't.
Hey, let's talk to the audience. There's so many comments are coming.
Yeah. This is about them.
I'm looking at it only because I'm talking to you.
Because I'm damn interesting. I know I'm damn interesting. But okay, this is about them only now. So now we have to. Now people will give you answers.
Okay.
So you have to choose answers, and then you have to make a question of this. कि मतलब ये इसका question क्या होगा? So we'll select answers from people. Okay. So I'll throw some answers to you.
Never done this before. Okay, fine.
And it can be very random. Okay, very random.
Prepared. MK.
Make something. I don't. That's very random.
MK. What is MK?
You can do much better, Sonakshi.
No, I'm thinking. I'm talking to myself.
Okay, talk. This is too loud. No, मेरे को सुनाई दिया था.
This is not even like an answer. Give me an answer. These are just like letters. MK.
Okay, chalo, I'll do that. Okay. Think about it. I'll give you another one.
Okay. Hi guys. Hi everyone.
Can you do this?
अगर SSS सोनाक्षी के इनिशियल्स है तो करीना कपूर खान के इनिशियल्स क्या होंगे?
Wow!
Equation.
What a player!
Tough question. Difficult to solve.
Okay, one more. You can read the comments as well. Comments में कुछ आ रहा है.
Yeah, I'm reading. Everyone's just saying hi. Somebody called me Rasgulla. Thanks, guys.
Someone has commented मेरा divorce.
Quarantine cheeks.
Someone has commented मेरा divorce हो गया.
Oh God, I'm really sorry, dude.
I mean, this is not the place, no, to tell you.
Yeah.
Wait, this is very random. Okay, don't. ये अपने आप select हुआ है. मैंने नहीं select
अच्छा, this is random. MK is not random. At least this is a word.
Okay, this is very desperate person. I don't know what.
Hi.
Okay, now you have to question this. You can't say like what are you high on or something like that.
I can what?
You can't say what are you high on because this is.
But that's a good one. If somebody send me like this.
I am a bhandar of good ones.
Okay. When Viraj cracks bad jokes, what do people say?
Take a second.
Hi.
पता नहीं है हमेशा मेरी लगती है every
You asked for it. Okay, next.
आया क्या?
च्यवनप्राश. अगर वो क्या चीज है जिसे रोज खाने से सेहत बनती है?
ये तो बहुत फैक्चुअल हो गया ना.
अब कुछ तो था ना.
Okay, last one, and then I'll ask you very random question. Tell me what is this behind? There's a lot of questions about why Asli.
Why Asli? Because I'm real, bro. I keep it real. No, but seriously, I'll tell you why. Because when I joined Instagram, Sonakshi Sinha was taken by someone. So I was looking for like so I was looking for some name to keep and all, and like because my name is Sona, right? So Asli just like fits really nicely. I was like, asli sona, pure gold. Yeah, that's why I kept it. And then it just stuck. Like people started calling me asli and all. So I was like, cool, yeah, this is nice. I like it.
अच्छा है आपका सरनेम पूरा दिन नहीं था, वरना तो कितना सही होता। सोना पूरा दिन।
Sona pura din.
Okay, last question.
Then I would be. Then my username would be Alsi Sona.
Oh yeah, yeah. Last thing.
I'm my sorry. What happens when you forget grammar? I'm my sorry.
Coffee mean. It's okay.
How? Okay. What else could I have said to that?
I don't know.
You say na. You tell.
I'm the worst in English. My mom's a teacher. She hates me.
You only wrote that. Na, I know it. You only wrote it na. तूने लिखा था, मुझे पता है.
Tell me about your NM story जहाँ पे आपने मैथ्स में बहुत ज़्यादा fuck up किया हो. कभी ऐसा हुआ है मैथ्स में, मतलब ज़्यादा embarrassment? Have you ever embarrassed yourself?
Yeah, very much. So I'm very good, like in other subjects, and also my parents never had to really push me to study, and also I used to do all my work. I was very responsible, good student. I would say quite above average, except in maths. So I was very confident after one test, and because I felt like I got everything right when we were discussing and this and that. So when the result, we used to have these 25 marks ka tests in the middle.
Unit test, yeah.
Yeah. So उसके पेपर वापस आए, and I was very excited. I was like, चल इस बार तो at least से ऊपर आएंगे मेरे marks. I got the lowest in the class, 1.5 on 25. I was so embarrassed. I was like, मैं घर कैसे जाऊंगी? Because never like had my parents had any like problem with my studies, or like me being responsible with my homework or anything. First time in my life I got 1.5. I was like, oh god, like जैसे कोई bum फट गया मेरे पे. I was very embarrassed. I was like, इतना बुरा कैसे? कैसे हो सकता है?
My very weird math story is that when you have 100 upon 10, what do you do?
100 upon 10, what do? You cross the zeros, na?
Yeah. So what happened to me? So it was 515 upon 15. What did I do?
What?
515.
515 upon 15. You crossed the 15.
मैंने 5 cut कर दिया. And my professor comes and looks like, wow, और कर. And I was like, fuck, मैं बहुत सही कर रहा हूँ मैं. He said, तो मैंने 1 और 1 भी cut कर दिया. मैंने बोला answer 5.
Maths was like my nightmare in school.
Maths a threat, yeah, I know. Okay, with that note, we end this live. I know you don't want this. वो मैंने लिखा था.
I'm teaching you good things, yeah.
वो मैंने लिखा था. I'm sorry.
I knew it. पता था.
Okay. On that note, I know it's very difficult to let me go off essay, but
very. By mistake अगर ये button दब जाए ना, don't
mind. Just letting you know. Till the time, if you have anything to say to the crowd about anything, we can talk to crowd for some time.
I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in, and I know we're going through a very tough time right now. घर पे सब बैठ के बोर हो रहे होंगे, but we're all in this together. Don't worry, जो आपका होना है सबका होना है, and stay strong, stay positive as much, not positive.
Got it.
Have a positive mindset, okay, and yeah, just stay strong.
Oh, okay.
And thank you guys for tuning in.
And there's a very weird request. So now, as you know that, as we know that you love memes and you love sharing those memes.
Yeah.
So now you have to give us an idea. Not now, sometime later, whenever we talk. Give us an idea, and we'll make that meme. Just like कि मतलब this is Sonakshi Sinha's idea meme. So
fab. Okay.
So whenever you come across any idea कि मतलब fuck ये तो filter copy को बोल देते हैं meme बनाना चाहिए. So we'll make that meme.
There's so many memes you can make out of that Noor ka video that I had done with you guys. मतलब मेरे सारे expressions उस एक वीडियो में खत्म हो चुके थे.
बहुत सारा
कोई भी उठा के आप कोई भी मीम बना सकते हो उस पे.
Done. वो तो हम लोग कर ही लेंगे. But in general, if you have any ideas कि मतलब fuck ये memes और filter copy को बोलना चाहिए करने के लिए, so we'll do that.
I'll tell you.
चलो done है. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for doing this for us.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Always fun talking to you.
See you.
Chalo, go and have dinner now, everybody. Bye.